Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT model. Beautiful green color, black interior, really nice condition. Giving it a quick walk around here, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. All right, here we go. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Look at that, super nice. Upper lights in beautiful condition, lower lights in beautiful shape. Grill's in amazing condition, chrome grill, super nice, very nice. Lower light, upper light. This one has a 360 camera, so there's a camera here in the front, has one on each mirror. We'll show you the cameras as we go. Hood's in beautiful condition, not a mark on it, looks super nice, really nice condition. All right, front fender here. Front fender on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks super clean, really nice shape. Driver door, amazing condition, super clean, very nice. Let's take a look at that camera right here on the mirror, 360 camera. Take a look at the rear door, amazing condition. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Walk around the back here, parking sensors. Very nice, look at this. Beautiful condition. So you have your rear camera here on the bottom, and then you have your upper camera here. This one's for the actual rear view mirror. Super nice. It's a nice feature. So that camera is connected directly with your rear view mirror. I'll show you that in a moment. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing shape. Rear door on the passenger side, amazing shape. Front door on the passenger side, amazing shape. Super clean throughout. Take a look here. Got the other camera right here. Taking a look at the fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Windshield's in beautiful condition, look at that, looks really nice. Roof's in beautiful shape. Super clean, not a mark on it. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, let's take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, look at this. Really nice, armrest is in beautiful shape, a little bit of storage on the bottom. All the controls look brand new. Very nice, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing shape, look at that. It is manual, but it's in beautiful condition. Rugs are clean, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Really nice condition, amazing shape. All right, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel in amazing condition, looks brand new, very nice shape, beautiful shape throughout. All right, let's take a look here. Beautiful condition on this one, look. Seats in brand new shape, rugs are clean, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Looks amazing, beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here on the rear driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Look at the controller here for the power window. Very nice shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition, looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition, look at that. Very nice, looks amazing. Really beautiful condition back here. Rugs are clean. It's got a couple USBs right there and rear AC vents. Super nice. Liner looks amazing. Let's take a quick look. Really nice condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape, really amazing condition. Take a look at the rear seats here on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice, really amazing shape. Take a look there, AC vents, little USBs there to plug in and charge. Back of the seats look brand new, looks amazing all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Check out the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Original GM key. We're going to set it down right here. This one has a push button start, very nice. I'm gonna press that button, push the brake. Starts up perfect, look at that, amazing. Beautiful cluster, look at that. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 18,884 miles. Super nice, shows you the time, the temperature, the date, what radio station is on, shows you what gear it's in, and miles till empty. In the center there, it shows you the RPM, so I'm gonna accelerate if you can see the RPMs and stuff. Look at that. Is that nice or what? Okay, then there's a button here so you can change the display on the cluster. So right now, you guys have to set up your Google account to be able to use their navigation. But that would show you the Google map. Still shows you the miles till empty, miles per hour, mileage of the vehicle, temperature and all that. Press the button again. This shows you the collision alert here. This thing right here, you can adjust it. See, I'm adjusting it there. Let's see, we'll leave it there all the way at the close one. Give it a second. So the one that's further away is always better. That way it gives an alert a little bit quicker. So you want to have that on, you can have that on while you're driving. Next one here is just a clean miles per hour without anything else. And it goes back to the original. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the other features on this one. Front and rear wipers right here. It has paddle shifters on the steering wheel. You could drive it manually with these power shifters. Okay, right here is to put it in gear. So I'm gonna just press the brake, push down, puts it in drive. Push forward a little bit like that, puts it in reverse. And then puts it in neutral, look at that. And then when you wanna put it in park, all you do is press that button right there. That's it, pretty simple. All right, this is for the cruise control. The collision alert here, the settings are right there. See, when you press that button up or down, it gives you that. That's the setting there. Speak commands, the radio, heated steering wheel, the display we just changed on there, and the volume controls. All right, back here, on the back of the steering wheel here, and the back of this one here. All right, super nice. So that's pretty much the steering wheel. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, looks super nice. Looks brand new, look at this. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the door here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Take a look here. This for the dimmer, the power brake release, the bypass for the engine off, and the auto hold. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other features. Dashboard steering wheel looks brand new. Let's take a quick look here. Amazing, look at that. Beautiful condition. All right, beautiful display there. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let's look at the AC controls. All the controls for the AC and the heated seats. So right here you have heated seats on the driver, heated seats on the passenger. Look at that, very nice, fully functional there. This is a manual AC system. You can set the temperature on this side and the fan on this side. And then these are the buttons for the different vents or whatever. Down below here you have a little bit of storage there, USB plugs, little space there to stand your phone in there, cup holders, little tray. It's got another little tray that comes out here, a lot of storage in there in case you need it. That's super nice. Okay, take a look up above here. We have our backup camera here on the rearview mirror. Right there's the mirror working. If you flick it forward, it shows you the screen, which shows you a rear camera that's mounted on the back of the vehicle. That's super cool for at night or whatever, you can see a lot clearer. All right, so here we go. You got your courtesy lights there, your OnStar. Let's take a look at those visors real quick. That is super nice. Got one there with lights. Here's the other one. Quick look at the liner. The liner looks amazing, good color. Never gets dirty, look at that. Beautiful condition. All right, pretty much that's the whole interior here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at some of the features on the information center, which is pretty much the radio and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go, right now we're on home. It's got two screens here. So you got Google Maps, you got news, My Chevrolet, phones. Go back that way. The Play Store, download your apps. Camera, that's nice. Let's take a look at that. Right now we're looking at the backup camera. Actually, we're looking at the front camera. If you click there, that's the back view. This one here shows you the rear view. See right there? This one shows you the front view in case you're going to park somewhere or whatever. You don't want to hit the bumpers, or if you're going to hitch up a boat or something like that. And then these are the side views in case you got a tight space in a garage or something you got to get in them. And this is the front one. See right there? Super nice. So we're going to go ahead and leave it on the rear view with the surround. That's without the surround. This is with the surround. 360 cameras. That's so nice. And then this one has the parking assist, which will beep or whatever, or will vibrate the seat when you're backing up, which is so nice. Okay. And then you can see all the features here. Let's go to settings real quick. We're going to go into vehicle, and we're going to show you some of the safety features on it. So alert type, here we go. That's what I told you. You can select for it to beep, or it can vibrate your seat. Vibrate the seat is super cool. Forward collision alert, front pedestrian alert, intersection, collision braking, adaptive cruise, bicyclist side alert, lane change alert, parking assist with braking, rear cross traffic, and rear pedestrian alert. So it's got a bunch of features, you know. So right there, that's in settings for the vehicle. Then here are the other settings you can go ahead and set up. That's super nice. All right, let's go back to home again, and then we're going to go ahead and visit this one here. This screen here shows you, as soon as you set up the Google account or whatever with them, you'll be able to see your navigation right there, and the radio station is playing. Here's the radio station that's playing right now. Here's the settings for the radio station. So you have Bluetooth, different sources, Bluetooth, USB, Alexa, AM, FM, and satellite radio. Right now, a vehicle just drove by. See, approaching in the rear. Look at that. That is super cool. All right, so let's go back to this one here. So, like I said, you just have to set up your Google account, and you'll be able to get the maps on that. And that's the button for the maps. This is for the phone. There's no phone connected now, so it doesn't really show anything. All right, that's pretty much it on this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. We have it in gear. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a little spin. Here we go. Drives super nice. Really smooth. All right, we're gonna check the brakes here. We're gonna stop and make a left. Brakes feel good. Steering feels smooth. Look at this. Nice. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's really a nice smooth drive. Feels amazing. All right, let's stop right here. Feels super nice. Look at that. Good acceleration, super quick. Very impressive. All right, next step here is we're going to go ahead and check out the backup sensors. We're going to find a little spot here to back up, and we'll see if we find a little space where there's some bushes or something, and it'll give us an alert because we have those sensors back there. Let's go ahead and give it a try right here now. Put it in reverse. Here we go. Camera's on, and as we're backing up, we can see that 360 view from the top. And we're looking at that there. So as you can see, there's a cone back there, so we're going to get close to it. Now we can show you how the backup sensors light up. Look at that. There you go. Starts vibrating already. Getting super close. Then it did an automatic brake because we got too close. So let me go forward a little bit here. Let me go reverse again. And then I'm going to show you here on the cluster where it shows it. So as we get close to it, automatically it's going to come up here on the cluster letting us know we're getting close to something here, where it is. So you can see where the cone is, with the 360 camera showing us, and it's showing us what we're getting close to here. So as you go close on this one, there's two options. You could have it brake for you or just beep. And then also it has the vibrating seat. So you can have it vibrate or you can have it beep. So it's a really nice safety feature. So pretty much another nice thing about this is after you're done with that and you're gonna drive away, as soon as you put it in drive, let's say if you're parallel parking or whatever, you'll go ahead and put it in drive. It shows you the front camera. So that is super nice. And then the camera turns off as soon as you're on your way. That's a really nice feature. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tires and the engine compartment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Look at this, very nice. It's got a full set of floor mats in here. Super nice, never been open. Got some books there. Super nice, brand new. All right, let's take a look at the rug. Brand new condition, looks amazing. Let's take a look beneath that. Got a little storage area there. Beneath that, we have our spare tire. Look at that, with all the tools directly beneath it. Very nice. All right, so you got a full set of floor mats here. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear hatch. Looks good, beautiful condition, really great shape. Has these little LED lights here, one on each side, and a power plug here if you guys want to tailgate out of this one. Super nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look under the engine compartment here. Look at this, engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Look at this, really amazing condition all the way through. Super, super nice. Really beautiful shape all the way through. Look at that, amazing condition. Let's take a look at the emission sticker. Super nice, look at that. Really great shape all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing shape, looks super nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Really nice, beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. It's really nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that, really amazing condition all the way through. Looks super nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Look at that, amazing condition. Looks brand new, very nice shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Let's take a close look. Looks super nice. Look at that, really amazing condition all the way through. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing, beautiful condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Looks super clean throughout, very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package with 360 camera, beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used autosales.com. Thanks for watching.